Winnie. Winnie. Seriously? Winnie? Winnie. What are you doing? Dumb dog. Come on. Walkies. You know? Walkies. Yeah. Come on, Winnie. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Christmas tree.
But it's nothing. They said Oswald did it. But this guy here, this guy that like they do the documentary, that makes sense. She went over the car. You have to watch this. It explains a lot.
She tried to get away because they were shooting. Jack
Not from
Ruby.
the back. Not from the back.
Jack Ruby and another person on the
Those guys wanted him dead.
Yes.
Winnie. Hi.
Winnie! Oh
We're
well.
going to Florida.
For a long time, because that shit doesn't just happen.
No, he was really dark too.
Like orange?
Hold on, keep
Like
filming.
brown?
Yeah. He's bleeding.
I say,
Because your liver does
he
so
goes,
many
do you
things.
think this is normal?
No.
I'm like, no. I
Winnie,
said,
come
you
back.
know what?
Ah.
Your body is dehydrated, and he never drank a lick of water. Not one little bit a drink of water. And you
Anyway,
need
when you
water.
show it to me, I'm gonna go on AliExpress.
Is that
I
it?
bet you I can get it for
How my little girl got there.
I love you.
The worst nightmare that anyone has to wake up to.
See how my dog barks.
The body was taken to Royal Columbian Hospital in New
I love
Westminster,
you.
where an autopsy failed to reveal an
Winnie.
identity. A
I love
forensic
you.
dentist is now doing a more in-depth autopsy at Vancouver General Hospital.
I remember when they announced that they found the body, and I think everyone knew like it was her, but they hadn't confirmed it. And they were gonna have a news conference, RCMP.
24-hour surveillance. We can probably
The cops went to his house
Biting me.
to question him, and the contents of a hockey bag was dumped out in the living room.
Winnie.
Wow.
So we were able to dress up 3 or 4
Play.
kinds of guys looking like construction workers, and we were able to go into his apartment, see inside the desk drawer. He had all his receipts. But
She
over
went
to the side, he
away.
had 2 receipts that were sort of separate
away.
from the rest.
This is my dog, Winnie. She's a Pomsky. She's half Pomeranian and half Husky. Look at that. Look at that fur. It's Husky fur. Say hi. Hi. At least she's not camera shy like cats are. Big nose. Blink if you need help.
I think I was born in the wrong
Winnie.
family.
Ow! She's biting me.
Winnie, Winnie, can you do Grandma a favor? Later.
Indeed, let's go meet your other family.
She's biting my eye.
With the button eye.
Oh, what's that? Up, go up.
Oh, she liked the screen. Ew.
Oh,
She liked the phone.
the cat thing.
Ew, she liked my phone. She liked it.
But I don't know.
Ah,
Oh yeah, this is
Bite it.
hypersonic.
bite it.
Remember?
Huh?
Hypersonic? Win win.
Ah! Right in your mouth. Boring.
I hate this guy, hate this guy, hate this guy. I hate this guy, he is a moron.
She keeps biting me. Cute doggies. Do that. Play, Winnie. Aww. Ow! She bit me. Ow, ow. Bit me again.
We need one more.
Uh-oh, Winnie, get back in there.
Tub.
What's up, girl?
Good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, get the strainer.
Where is it?
You don't have it?
No, I don't know where it is.
Right here. Okay, well, I'll be back. You're next. Excuse me. Okay,
I can't.
we don't need the plug. I just used the shower head on them. Okay, so get out of the way.
He's going in there.
What's that? What's that, eh? It's not too hot. Oh, look at your toes.
Ah, disgusting.
Yeah! Already? Sorry, didn't mean to get in your head here, my baby.
You stink. You need another bath.
Good girl, Winnie. Good girl, Winnie. Let's get that
bum.
bum.
Yeah,
Get that bum. Mommy says it's stinky.
stinky
Let
bum.
me wipe your face.
Yeah.
She's like, get out of
Wait,
here.
I'm gonna blow dry her.
Ah!
Come you! I'm gonna use my hair dryer on her.
Yep, you can.
But she doesn't like it.
Well, that's too bad. There, I scrub. I like to scrub the baby.
Scrubby, scrubby, scrubby.
I don't care how much soap you use. As long as it gets soapy everywhere. Get this tail. Gotta get this tail. Scrub, scrub, scrub it up. Scrub, scrub, scrub it up. Win, 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 win. Let's spread the soap out. There we go. She's like, I hate this. Why did Grandma have to do this to me all the time? Because I like you nice and clean, baby. No! Hate that, Winnie. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna scrub more. Don't walk
Do
away.
not get out of here.
She won't.
She
Scrub
does.
you more.
She does.
I'm gonna scrub you more. Let me get your feet.
Ah!
Sorry.
Look at
Little
those
cute
beautiful
little
little eyes.
Cute little blue nose. I love you.
Winnie, are you wet?
I am so drunk.
So.
I look like a drowned rat.
Ah! Ah!
Ah!
Very nice.
Ah! You have to do all this stuff, the hindquarters too? Come over here. Give me a little egg.
I'm trying to get a cool video.
I don't care about your video. Hey! Win-win, come.
Winnie. Ow! She stepped on me.
Win-win, come.
Close your door. Ah!
Come here, talking. I'll be quick. I'll try my best. Such a good baby. Come on, my baby. Oh.
go into the tub.
Oh, don't let her do that. Okay. Do any place I'm bothered? Is here, Bobby. Yes, currently
Yeah.
you're not. Holy gray. You're not gray. You're white. You're a white color runner. Look at all this dirt.
What's this dog doing? Seriously. What is she doing? Eh? What are you doing? Oh my god. What is she doing? Oh. Done yet, guys.
Wow, you're wild today.
Come on, Winnie, do that growling thing. And now you distract them with the plates, Mom.
Sorry, I gotta eat. Where's the cheese?
Where's the cheese?
I need cheese.
Where's the cheese, Molly? Winnie? Cheese? I'm gonna get you. What are you doing? I'm gonna get you.
What are you doing, baby?
Come on.
You guys got me soaked. Happy boy, all clean.
I'm gonna get you.
His hair is all crimped, ready to go to the 80s dance. His feet were so